All right, today is June 18th, 2025. We got a bit of news today. FOMC at 2, 8:30 came out. Markets closed on the 19th, Juneteenth. Markets closed. Up. All right, so let's get to it. Let's just do some levels, and then we're just gonna let record. I'm not trading today. I'm not doing anything. Just going to record the charts. Yesterday we had a nice setup over here. We had a clean break here out of this level, and then price came back and retested it, and then price sold off towards the end of the day. All right, so that was the only area of a potential entry. This is the 1830. So if we wanted to, we could have probably get a little deeper into it. It's a clean break, clean level, noon, not noon, 15-minute time frame. I want to square it off very well. Well, should go to the 15-minute time frame, right? There it is. All right, I'm gonna square it off very well. As I said. All right, so we got the 15-minute here. All right, bam. All right, boom, and then we go to the tick chart. All right, so we have this area here was the range. All right, I don't see any volume out of that level. We have buying that halted, but I didn't see any volume out of that level. And then we get volume going into that level. We get sell, 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 buy, sell, another buy, pause, no more volume, another buy, and then price sells off, right? Let's look into that candle area real quick, and then we'll look at it from different things. So just still trying to figure it out. So at the 20 tick, let's go ahead to 15 tick. Okay, we got some RSI. Let's look at the 10 tick. Got more RSI. A little of this thing here. No selling volume, just RSI's down there. Let's look at the 5 tick. Right, major RSI move, right? So what can we make of this? All right, we have a pause right here in RSIs, right? And then price continues. So we have this pause here, right? So we can probably encompass this area right here. All right, let's go to the RSI sell-off. Let's go to the 10. RSI below. Alright, I forgot to look at the volume down here. Sometimes we can get something out of that. We got a buy here that failed. Sell, sell, sell. Alright, boom. So we got this here. Let's go to back to the 5 tick. Let's look at that one more time. Alright, including that volume. So we got volume here, got a buy here, we got a series of buying that's not working out. A series of buys that's not working out out of that level right here. Alright, so series of buying that's not working out in that level. Aggressive selling down here. All Alright, we did the, let's go to the 10 tick one more time. Alright, and I want to just work on just going slow like this, looking for levels that fit well. This bind here that fell really catches my attention. So I'm selling out of that. Let's go to the 20 tick, the 15 tick. Sell. Strong sell. Alright, and it just goes, right? So, and then the 20 tick. Alright, so not much there. Alright, so price comes back to this. Say, okay, this is a 10 or 20 tick level. So we can go to the 10 tick. Alright, that's the thing that's been really confusing me is going between. No. I like that. No. I like this one. Alright. It's here, it's way down there. And it goes back up one more time. No volume. And it drops. Go to the 15. See that we got a triple top. 1, 2, then 3. Alright, and if we go to the 20 tick chart, go to the 20 tick chart, which is the one I said I will need to trade. We have this that needed to be cleared. As you can see, we cleared it. And we had this little setup, and then we sold off. So, yeah, I could have entered here. Stop loss there. Would have sucked to see price come back up one more time. Looking like it's about to stop me out. Wow, this is a long time in this candle. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute. Just want to see how long we spent on that candle. Okay. Alright. So depending on how price move. Alright, hopefully we don't get stopped out. This looked like it was just, that was definitely key to strong volume buy and retaliation. This I would have probably bought. And that's 12 points. Alright. Yep. Would have gotten into that and then maybe tried it again there. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So I'm going to set up my charts and then I am going to walk away from the screen. That's my plan. Once I find my clock. Wow, 30:15. Okay. So let's wrap this up. Alright, so with 30-minute time frame is what's going to set me up for clearing everything here. Let's clear it up. So this is going to be just looking for clean new levels. That's it. Alright, gap and filled. Clean new levels. That's it. I'm not doing anything extra. goal is clean new levels. So the daily, we ended up in the cell. 4 hour, yeah, let's go. 1 hour. Okay, so got something here. Well, I'm gonna keep that 15-minute one because we never broke it. 30 minutes, clean new level, and then 5 minutes, clean new level. Right, and these levels are clean, nothing of interest. 1 minute. See, now this is a pretty much clean new level. Let's go to the charts. Let's mark this like this. Zoom out. Okay, got some selling here, so this is an interesting spot. All right, got that. In Q. Pretty sure that it was a bit of a sell yesterday. So clean new level. Alright, so nothing there of interest. Going to do high and low, and then eventually we'll get to settlement prices. Low was probably here. High was up there. Okay, cool. Alright, and then we're going to VIX. Then we'll do yesterday's highs. That's pretty much it. We do have like a level right here. But we'll have to keep an eye on them. Alright, essentially I am done. I'm gonna reset the charts. I'm done. I'm gonna clear my head, and I'm basically done though. All right. Holler. I did not do settlement price. Let's put settlement price. All right. Now I'm done. Went over news. FOMC 2 o'clock. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow market close. Collapse. All right. Anyways, I'm out. Catch you later. Uh, we'll see what the recording gives us.